Hello, my name is Yong. Below I will show that on how to use all the register involved in SysTick timer and the function of each register. Okay, the first you can see the void delay int delay. This is a function delay. And then the next is rcc app2 enr equal for this for we want to enable the clock for the GPLA and GPLA CTR equal to 3. This is we want to set the GPLA of pin 0 to 7 as an output. Then GPLA or DR equal FF is we want to start with all LED when off, and then GPLB or DR equals 0. This also we want to start with all 7 segment when off, and then int LED equal 1. This we want to as starting data to display of LED. The next is in this white statement, the first since there is GPLA or DR equal LED is we want to display the LED when delay, and our delay is ms is 2 million, then is count for timer. SysTick timer is here, count for here, and then the LED equal LED left shift 1. This is for left shift by 1 bit. So this for we have the add output, and then we will have the add LED. Then when we display the LED in order for 1 to add, and then this if LED equal 0 100, this is for we reset the LED for the last LED, then go back to the first LED, then display continually again, display in order. Then this void delay ms int delay, this is a SysTick timer, and this is for the generate delay before we're using while looping here. And then in here in this function we have a SysTick log equal delay minus 1. This is a SysTick reload value, and this is to log current value register when 0 is reached. In our case we have a 2 million here. If our 2 million minus 1 until when reach the 0, then can go to the next function. The next function is SysTick ctir equal example. This the SysTick to active the SysTick counter by being controlled with heads up by. In here you can see the table of SysTick timer in here. If our heads up is 5, internally is 101. So we enable the clock source, disable the ticket, and enable here. So this is function to active the counter, function on counter. The next is GPL or B or DR equal 1. This to we want to display the number of 1 in our server segment. This postpone is to show that our SysTick timer is working. Then the next is the white SysTick ctil and 1000. This is the monitor counterflow. This when scan in bit 16 by control register. The bit 16 is control indicate status. For status when bit is 1, then show counter head reaches 1. Okay, in here you can see the bit 16 in here counterflow. Okay, if this 0, then when 0 and 0, then not 0 equal to 1. If here is 1, then we go here is when to nothing is this bracket until when reach the SysTick is 1, then 1 and 1 equal 1, then 1 not 1 is 0. Until we get a 0, then we can go to the next function, then GPLB equal ODI equal 0. This is we want to show the number 0 on our server segment. And then the next is SysTick ctir equal 0. This is for we want to disable all functions in here, disable clock source, ticket, and enable. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you.